Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about what Reddit developer think about. What coding books would recommend everyone to read? Want to know how to become a developer without a degree? Check the description below. Code by Charles Petzold is the book to read to understand computers at a base level. It literally starts at a single bit and moves all the way up the stack. I cannot recommend this book enough for someone starting out. What stack are you referring to? The hardware and low-level software stack. The rough progression is something like Morse code and Braille as a means of representing stuff using signals. For numbers, what the base 10 number means, other bases, and binary. Some electricity stuff at the level of a flashlight style circuit, then telegraphs. How to build logic gates using the above. How to assemble gates into adders and other ALU style circuits. Then memory. Storing instructions in memory that control what the processor does. A history of transistors and ICs and such. Some technical information on I think the 8088 and Motorola 6800. Exact chips may vary. The operating system. Floating point. Some stuff on graphics. Clean code. I think every developer worth their salt has to read that book. Some general reading. The Cathedral and the Bazaar. Code Complete. Clean Code. The Mythical Man Month. Don't Make Me Think. Note that Don't Make Me Think has nothing to do with code really, but is very good for front-end design. Writing Solid Code is an excellent book. I don't agree with everything in it, but that's to be expected. I should also mention Code Complete, which is less C-centric and covers more ground. What did I get out of it? A lot of it boils down to thinking before you write code, and b. telling you the sort of things you should think about. Humans are the most fallible piece of the puzzle. Write the code to make it easier for them to use and understand it. Strive to write APIs that are impossible to use incorrectly. Try to catch bugs before they become bugs by validating inputs to methods and so on. Cracking the coding interview. Unforgettable for whomever wants a real job at a tech company. To anyone not sure of what this stands for, it is structure and interpretation of computer programs and is a very good read for those looking to learn about CompC. It does require commitment in that it is not a book you rush through. Rather you take your time and make sure you understand it bit by bit. Design Patterns. More of a reference book. Clean Code. Element of Programming Interviews. Cracking the Coding Interview. Effective Java. Effective C++. Code Complete. The Dip by Seth Godin. Not a programming book, but read it when you feel defeated. Coders at Work. Reflections on the Craft of Programming. Peril in a Nutshell was my first book, and I never really wrote much Peril, but it helped solidify concepts. Modern Operating Systems. One of the best starter CompC books. How is it compared to the Dinosaur book? I believe the Dinosaur book, Operating System Concepts, is more popular, but it is not the one I cut my teeth on, so I could only assume it is similar. It is aimed at the same audience. To go on a soapbox for a moment, my absolute favorite book on OSes is the somewhat dated and out of print, The Magic Garden Explained, The Internals of Unix System v Release 4. Not a book for beginners, but if you want to know about the intricacies of how Unix/Linux systems work, it is a great reference. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.